I'm Ms. Artastic. We're going to draw a Valentine's kitty. You're going to need a black marker, paper, and something to draw with. Let's get started. Begin by drawing a curved line for the top of the head. We're going to draw two curved triangles for the ears. We're going to have the ears at two different angles. This guy's going to peek out more at a horizontal level, and then on each ear, add a curving line down the middle. From there, we're going to draw the sides of the head. Adding little zigzag lines for the fur on the cheeks. Next, we're going to draw the heart that the cat is holding. But before we do that, we need to draw the paws. So we're going to draw two little paws, just like that. And then you can add the heart so that it's peeking in behind the paws. Next, we're going to draw two little feet at the bottom. They're kind of drawn like very tall letter U's between them. Add a curved line. Draw the body with a couple zigzag lines where the shoulders might be. And then from there, straight down to the legs. Next, we're going to add the tail. So curve up, then come down, couple zigzag lines, and then attach it to the body. Okay, now we're going to take a look at adding the details on the face. We're going to first start by drawing a line across, a V shape to make an upside down triangle. From the middle, two letter U shapes for the mouth. Then on either side, at somewhat closer down to where that triangle is, we're going to draw two circles. Inside it, we're going to add two large circles, then two small, either full circles or half circles in each eye. You can color in your eyes. We're going to add two cheeks, just like that. One long whisker on each side, and then a shorter one. We're going to add a spot on one side of the face that kind of goes through your eye. Then we're going to add little details to the paws, tip of the tail, Alright, so now our cat has some details. It is time to thicken up some of the lines just to add some different texture, and then we're going to color. So I like to find different lines that I want to thicken up, so that way it creates a little bit more contrast and stands out. It's time to color, so I'm going to be using both pencil crayons and markers to color the cat. You can follow along or do it in your own way. Next, you can use a gray or a black pencil crayon, and we're going to add just some shading. And then I'll come back to those spots that I just noticed I forgot. So with black, you need to press very lightly as you color, so that way you get a gray. But with using gray, you can still press light, but you don't have to worry as much, as you will get more of a true gray. for watching this tutorial. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up to show your support and subscribe to the channel so you can stay current with all the videos that are released through the year. All new episodes arrive every Tuesday, so please make sure that you tune in for the premiere. Have a great day.